Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Ever feel like tasks, requirements, or issues just slip through the cracks in a project? You're not alone. In fast moving environments, keeping track of everything can be a nightmare without the right system. That's where item tracking comes in, your ultimate way to stay on top of every requirement, task, and action item all in one place. Item tracking is about systematically capturing and monitoring individual items so nothing, absolutely nothing, gets missed. Today, we're exploring item tracking. This technique helps BAs maintain visibility, accountability, and clarity across projects. Let's get into it. Why does item tracking matter? Think about the last time a critical requirement or task just disappeared. Item tracking prevents that by giving you a clear, central view of every item you're managing. Strong accountability, because each item has an owner, not a mystery keeper. Early visibility of bottlenecks and dependencies before they turn into problems. In short, it keeps your project transparent, organized, and protected from things slipping through the cracks. Why is item tracking so effective? Because it creates a single source of truth. Every requirement, every issue, every action item has a home, making it easy to track progress, share updates, and avoid confusion. It also helps teams prioritize what matters most and make faster, better decisions. Essentially, it replaces guesswork with structured visibility. Item tracking is essential whenever a project involves multiple requirements, tasks, or issues that need consistent monitoring. It's especially valuable when you're juggling many items at once. A single list keeps everything visible. Multiple team members or stakeholders are involved. Everyone knows exactly who owns what. Visibility and accountability are critical. Bottlenecks and dependencies become clear early, preventing delays or confusion. In short, use item tracking anytime you need structured oversight to keep a project organized, transparent, and on track. How do you actually apply item tracking? Here's the step-by-step. Identify all items, list every requirement, task, and issue in one place. Assign owners. Make sure each item has someone clearly responsible. Set status and priority, mark items as to do, in progress, or done, and flag urgency. Monitor progress, review updates regularly, and adjust priorities as things shift. Communicate consistently, share the tracker with your team and stakeholders so everyone stays aligned. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine you're working on a new app feature. You set up an item tracker with simple columns like requirement, website redesign, owner A, con BA, status due, in progress, priority high. As the project moves forward, each item gets updated with progress notes, dependencies, and any blockers. Developers, testers, product owners, everyone can instantly see what's happening and who's responsible. That means fewer delays, less miscommunication, and a lot more clarity across the whole team. Pro tips for getting the most out of item tracking. Keep your tracker updated daily. Outdated info is as bad as no info. Use color coding or priority flags so critical items stand out instantly. Review dependencies often. One small delay can ripple through the whole project. And choose a tool your team will actually use. Even the fanciest tracker is useless if everyone ignores it. To wrap up, item tracking is all about keeping requirements, tasks, and issues visible, assigned, and monitored. It's the bridge between planning and execution, giving your team clarity, accountability, and control. Next up, we'll dive into scope modeling, another essential technique for defining what's in and what's out of your project. See you then.